Hey YouTube, welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to replace the CV axle. I already did one for the right side already. I already did one for the left side, I should say. Now I'm on the right side. I'm going to show you how to do the right side because the right side is a bit different than the left side. So let's get started in this. And as I said, it is a common problem for the CV joint to go bad on these Altima. So once your Altima look like this, don't ask me no question about the year. It's gonna be the same procedure. Even for the older Altima, it's the same procedure. So with that said, let's get started. Please like, comment, share, subscribe to the channel, and comment and let me know I help you. So first thing first, we're gonna do is remove the wheel, which is gonna be 21 millimeter, or you can use your lug tool. That will do the trick. So once you remove that, let's go ahead and take the wheel off. So next thing you're gonna do is get something, knock this out, because most time this already knocked in. So get something and knock that out. You're gonna need a 21 millimeter socket and a 21 millimeter wrench. Use the wrench to hold the nut at the top. Take out the bottom part. Same thing for the front right here. Take out that part. So guys, you can take it out from here, but I don't recommend that. It's gonna be a lot of work. It feels next to impossible to try to take it out, but when putting it in, the easiest way to do it is remove it when you have it out and put it in. So I'm going to demonstrate that to you. If you can go ahead and take it out that way, by all means, that's good on your end. But I tried to take it out and it doesn't come out like that. I still have to end up take off the whole control arm for this job. So let's go ahead and get our 34 millimeter. I'm not sure if it's 34. I think it's 34, but the actual socket size is 1.25 inches. So you can translate that in metric. So once you take this one out, you want to come down here, take this one out. It's going to be 18, so you're going to need an 18 millimeter, which I have right here. 18 millimeter socket and an 18 millimeter wrench. And this is a screw. It's a nut and a bolt, so that's the style. 18 millimeter. So you want to use one on each end, and then you take that one out, take it out loose. So once that's out, the next step, we're gonna go over here to this 21 millimeter top and bottom. So you're gonna need a 21 millimeter wrench and a 21 millimeter socket. So let's go ahead and do that. You just want to take both of them out. They're both 21 millimeters, as we can see. And now we're gonna get something and try to knock the CV joint in. Kind of put back here. Since we changing the CV joint, you don't have to worry about the threading. If you're not changing the CV joint, you just screw this back on, throw it down there and knock it. But we changing the CV joint, we don't have to worry about the threading. Get some WD-40. Let that sit for a while and then we'll get back to it. So you can use the hammer, and what the hammer do is use the back part of the hammer, knock that part like that. You'll need something to pry out the control arm. Once you pry that out, you need to pull on it while knocking this right here. pulling this. This right now. So there you go. The next step we're gonna need is 13mm. One right here, one right there. Put something underneath it in case you have to catch some oil, but 13mm right there. So what I use is this, along with an extension and a swivel socket, which is 13mm. Same thing for this right here, 13mm. And once that's done, you can pull the CV axle out. Should come right out. So that's it, guys. Let's go ahead and get the other one and install it. So we got the other CV joint. I'm gonna basically we're just putting it back the way we take it out. Once you line it up, it's gonna go straight in. You pull this back, run it through. So you want to turn this and find the grooves. Then you can push it in a little bit, just like that. You can get this back, put it back with your 13mm. Just like that. So guys, I'm gonna put up the lower control arm so you guys can see how easy it is putting it up this way if you didn't choose this way to do it. So we're gonna catch the front. Catch the back. So we catch the front bolt and the back bolt, and now it's time to catch this right here. Alright, so you're ready to see how hard it is. First you want to set the CV joint where it kind of partially in. So pull this down, line it up at the hole, set your CV joint. Once that's set, push back on this. Gotta move you guys out the way. So once you get it like there, just give it some light tap. So that would be the hardest part of it, but it's not that hard, as you'll see. Next you want to do is just put that there, tap it in. So guys, you want to make sure you tighten that up, tighten that up, tighten that up. And now it's time to tighten this up right here and put on your tire. And that's it guys. Please go ahead, like, comment, share, subscribe to the channel. Peace out. See you next time.